In this video, I am explaining logic gate concepts in GXworks 2 software. So it is a PLC software. PLC in the sense programmable logic controller. So here, first we click on this project, then click new project. Then we have to give S. So if you want to save this one, then we have to give us the logic as a save. Then we are closing. Now we are getting the new project window. So now you see, click project, then new project, then here series is FX PLC series, then project type is simple project, then language is ladder language. Then here we are going to use relay concept. So relay, which consists of three output terminals. One is normally closed, another one is normally open, then third one is common. Here we are going to use normally open, then normally closed contact. So here normally open and normally closed, we can use a switch. Output we are giving as coil. Here this F7 is nothing but output. So in digital we are saying that LED as output. Here instead of LED we are giving coil. So first we need to get the OR gate output. So how can we get the OR gate output? For that first we have to take one NO contact, that is normally open contact. Then we have to give input as X1. Then we need to connect the output coil. Output coil is Y0. Next second input is X1. Both input must be connected in parallel. So I need to connect this parallel line. So here up I need to connect. So just I have to click here, then select this vertical line, then we are getting this circuit. Now we have to give one of the input is X1, second input is X2. Output we are giving as Y0. Now circuit is over. Next we need to compile this circuit. For that we need to click the build. Next we want to simulate this circuit. For that click the debug, then start simulation. Now it is in monitor mode. So here this is the watch window. Here we need to give the input and output device address. Input devices are X1 and X2. X1, X2 are normally open switch. Then output is coil. This is nothing but Y0. So both are in bit. Bit in the sense 0 and 1 logic. So first both inputs are 0, output is 0. Now X1 is 1, output is 1. That is 1, 0, output is 1. Next X2 is 1, output is 1. Next both inputs are 1, output is 1. So now we are getting the output of OR gate. Now we need to do the AND gate by using this ladder logic. For that we need to go for the right mode. So just I am clicking the right mode. Next I am deleting this X2 input. So here I need to connect both NO contact in series. Then we'll get the AND gate output. So for that X1 and X2 both are connected in series. output as coil, which is nothing but Y1. So now this logic diagram is over. We need to compile this one. For that, we need to click the build. Then debug, start simulation. So again, we need to click this debug. Now only it is in write to PLC. Then close this window, minimize this window. Next, it is in monitor mode. So X1, X2 both are 0. So now you see X1 is 0, X2 is 1, output is 0. Next, X2 is 0, X2 is 1, X1 is 0, output is 0. Now both are 1, we are getting output as 1. You see here output address is Y1. So we have to give output address as Y1. So once again, I am repeating this concept. Inputs are X1, X2, output is Y. So when both inputs are 0, output is 0. 0, 1, output is 0. Next, 1, 0, output is 0. Both are 1, we are getting output as 1. So now this ladder logic diagram, which gives the AND output. Now, we are going to see about the XOR gate. For this XOR gate, we need to connect X1 in NO, then another one X1 in NC. NC in the sense normally closed. Next, again here we need to give X2, second input X2 in NO, then second input in NC. So you see here X1 means here we need to give X2. Here X2 means here we need to give X1. Now we want to connect both in parallel. Further, just I am clicking this vertical line. Then we are getting connection. Now this circuit is over. Next we need to build this circuit. Then start simulation. Now only it is writing to PLC. Okay. Now initially everything is 0. So for 0, 1, what is the output we are going to see for 0, 0? Output is 0. Next is 0, 1. 0, 1 means X2 is 1. Output is 1. Next, for 1, 0, output is 1. Next, both are 1, output is 0. Now, this ladder logic which gives the XOR gate output. That means X1 NO means X2 will be NC. Both will be in series. Here X2 NO, X1 is NC. Both will be series. Now both contact must be in parallel. Both connection must be in parallel. Then only you are getting the XOR code. X1 series with that means NO X1 series with NC X2. NO X2 series with NC X1. Now those two series contact or those two series connection must be connected in parallel. Then only we are getting the XOR output. Now I am going to draw one ladder logic. Now we'll check this circuit which gives which logic output. So just I am going to connect. Here instead of NO, I am connecting as NC. X1, X2 both are in NC. Here X1, X2 both are in NO connector. Now, just I am compiling this one. We'll see what is the output is coming now, or which logic is which this circuit which gives which logic gate output we are going to see now. So just debug, then start simulation. Once again, we have to click on this start simulation, then only it is entered to PLC, right to PLC. Now it is in monitor mode. So you see both are 0. Initially we are getting output as 1. Next 0, 1, output is 0. Next 1, 0, output is 0. Next both are 1, output is 1. That means what? Both are 0, both are 1, output is 1. 0, 1 case and 1, 0 case, output is 0. So now this ladder logic which gives the XNOR. Hope everyone understand this logic gate concept in GXworks 2 software. Thank you.